What's going on, guys? Here's my car, and we're prepping for Scrapeyard Friendship Cup. We got a little over 3 weeks to go. I don't really have a whole lot left to do. I got to rebuild my wheels, get the car on the ground, make sure it's running and driving, take it over to the mint frame machine at my buddy's place that I might show you guys later. The setup is mint. We do some pretty dumb shit around here. By frame machine, I mean there's just 2 concrete posts and we just strap the car to it, pull it out with a come along, and call it good. But so today we're gonna rebuild some wheels, basically do a quick time lapse of that. I received my inner barrels for my Riverside wheels. We're just going to rebuild the fronts. The back ones are okay. And basically show you guys the process. So these are the new inner barrels. They are 18 by 5-inch barrels that I sourced from Wheel Flip. Shout out to Wheel Flip. Thanks a lot for your quick turnaround on these. Gonna keep the same lips. It's gonna be a 18 by 9 wheel compared to an 18 by 10.5 that I used to run. And the issue I kept having is breaking tie rods with these at full lock. And basically grind the barrel on the tie rod and either bend or snap the tie rods and angle kits, which you might have seen in my other video that I was replacing the angle knuckles on. But these original barrels have seen some better days. They look like they're as straight as a rainbow. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I might hang them up on the wall. I might take them to a scrapyard and get some money out of them for some aluminum. Or maybe I'll just yeet them somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe they'll become some sort of ornament for some bullshit. But anyways, let's start the time lapse. We're basically just gonna rebuild these 2 wheels, reseal them, and then go from there.
Say you love me. No, you say you love me. No, you say you love me. No, you say you say you say you say you.
Well, we got both of our wheels torqued to spec with precision-oriented devices. Very sophisticated. So now we just gotta tape them up, and then we're gonna seal them up and wait until tomorrow when we can finally put on the valve stems and mount the tires.
You say you love me. No, you say you love me. No, you say you love me. No, you say you say you say you say you.
And just like that, they have been siliconed. Now we're just gonna give them 10 minutes to cure a little bit, and then we're gonna peel off the tape and let them cure overnight. Now I just want to show you guys what I use for applying and spreading silicone and what kind of silicone I like to use. Basically, you can pick up a caulk gun like this at your local O'Reilly's, Advanced, AutoZone, Napa, whatever the heck. Super cheap, and it'll come in handy for anything from resealing the wheels to resealing oil pans or whatever you're going to use for caulking. You can use it at home too. For silicone, I like to use this GE metal silicone. It's this tube with the green on it, and it says metal, obviously. But you can pick this one up at Lowe's, maybe some other places too. But I found that this one works great for wheels. Doesn't seem to leak or anything, doesn't deteriorate. Obviously, sometimes if you're doing tires a lot, such as on like drift cars and stuff, you know, the silicone may get damaged by your tire machine and you may require a reseal, but I definitely recommend this silicone. Now, this is not the only silicone that's out there. There's plenty of others that you can use, and many wheel places sell them. But that's just something what I like to use. I can pick it up locally. I don't need to order it. It works for me. And then for a spreader, honestly, I just use a gift card. I just took this gift card out of my wallet, Panera gift card. I think I had this thing since 2014. I think it still works and has money on it, but I just use it for spreading silicone, honestly. So that's what I use. That's what I like to use. It works for me. I've done plenty of wheels that way. These Surtoo's, my Riversides. I did my show keys when they were my show keys. They're my girlfriend's now. There's some other wheels that I've done as well. There's another pair of Serbs there that I did the same way. Works just fine. So that will be it for today.